Hi, the hairdryer in my room isn't working. It won't turn on. Can someone help?
Hello, Sarah. I'm sorry about that. We'll bring a replacement right away.
Thank you. I have a meeting soon.
No problem. I'm checking the stock now. We have a new one. It's tested and ready. I'll send it up shortly.
Great. Thanks so much.
We also checked all hair dryers on your floor. Everything works perfectly.
Wow, that's very thorough. Thanks.
I also placed a small guide for safe use.
That's very thoughtful. I appreciate it.
And I brought an extra towel for you. Here's your new hair dryer and towel.
Perfect. Now I can get ready in time. Thanks.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay. Call us anytime if you need anything.